so different from every other video I make. I'm tired right now, sorry. So, hi, I'm back again. We go through this every video. It's been a long time no see, but here I am back again. So, if you don't know me, I am 18. I graduated in 2020, and I took a little break before I went to college, I guess, because of COVID and all that, and I was gonna go to university. I was gonna go to Washington State University. Changed my mind, went through a little second guessing everything in my life type scenario. So then I decided I won't go to university, I'll just work and then figure out what I want to do there. So I didn't go to university in the fall. I didn't go to college at all in the fall. I didn't take any classes. I just got a job and I worked and I saved money. Now it's January, it's 2021, and I decided to go to community college near my family. It's like an hour and a half away. And I chose this one because I wanted to get out of the house. That's just literally probably the only reason I chose this community college, is because they had housing. So I live in a dorm. They call it apartments, but it's basically just the dorm. So this is my dorm room slash apartment. I was supposed to have a roommate, but funny story, she dipped like last minute. She moved out like 2 days ago and she's not going here anymore. So I lucked out. I don't have a roommate. So I get the whole kitchen slash bathroom area to myself. A lot of people messaged me, like a lot of my friends were like, oh my god, I want to see your dorm, like I want a dorm tour, I want a room tour. So I will give the people what they want. I'm giving the people what they want. Alright, so yesterday I moved in with the help of my lovely parents. I moved in to this dorm room area thingy building, right, on campus yesterday. So I don't have my crap all together yet, but I stayed up pretty late yesterday and I barely ate and I did everything. So I did a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff done. And then I also went to Walmart yesterday, picked up a whole bunch of stuff. I actually just got home from going to the Dollar Tree, walking, since I don't have a freaking car, y'all. I don't have a license, so I don't have a car either. So I have to freaking walk everywhere. At least the Dollar Tree and the Walmart's like a 15-minute walk, so it's not that bad, but it's cold. So, and windy here. By the way, I live in Kansas, if you didn't know. Like, what the freak? Kansas, not a state I would have chosen myself, but we're here. So I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour. Again, everything is not done yet. I'm probably gonna have to shove some stuff under my bed right now. Yeah, let me do that really quick. Okay, I just shoved some stuff under my bed really quick. So now I'm gonna show you my room. We're gonna start with my front door. This is my front door. It's locked because I don't want to get murdered. So when you walk in, this is what it looks like. Then to your left is a bathroom. Ugh, I hate this because when I turn the light on, it's gonna be like really loud. So this is a toilet, nothing crazy, just a toilet. Then there's shelves. I hate this toilet though because there's no lid. So like I could drop stuff in there on accident and that would really suck. So this is my bathroom stuff. Just, you know, the basic, the extra stuff, air freshener, lady stuff. And then here's the shower. It's like pretty small, but what do you expect? At least I don't have to share one, like a community shower or whatever. These are like new, I think. So that's good, I guess. These are like new. What wasn't new was the shower head. It was disgusting. So I got one at Walmart for like 10 bucks. So I got this like wide one. So that's cool. It's like clean and not dirty like the other one was. And there's like little shelves, put stuff. Yep, and then I got cute little pink shower shoes. Aww. Then we have these shelves. So I don't have a roommate, so I get to use these all by myself. I get to use all the shelves. Bathroom, and then on this side is like kitchen slash sinks and stuff. So I don't know why it's open. Don't mind my nails, they look so bad because I just took my fake nails off, so they look disgusting. I'm sorry, I apologize. So this is the area. It's cute, look at it. I mean, from afar, it's like, I got a mini fridge for my parents and the microwave. It was like extra. They already had it, so they gave it to me. And then I put a little board up. I have these set of drawers, paper towels, set of drawers. We've got silverware and chopsticks, of course. I love chopsticks. And then this is like empty. Then this one, I have food, candy. This one, I have like vitamins and medicine. And then over here, we got salt and pepper. And then tangerines because I love tangerines. Look how cute this basket is, it's a star. Then I have a board here, write down stuff I might need. And then over here, it's like a sink area. So I don't have a roommate, so I get to use this part too. But I actually don't use any of this stuff just because I don't need to. I didn't have that much stuff. So I like this mirror, even though it's small, but it's kind of cute. And then it has actually like a little medicine cabinet. So that's cool. Sorry, this is messy. I went to the Dollar Tree earlier and I didn't unload everything yet. So this is where I wash dishes in this sink. I have this little dishwasher thingy. Very cool. And then soap. Mess. Excuse the mess, please. Okay, but tell me why I got a stapler from the Dollar Tree and I thought it would come with staples, but it's the Dollar Tree, so I don't know why I expected it to come with staples. So now I have a stapler with like no staples, so that sucks. This is the middle area. I have my perfumes that I use a lot over here, and then like this makeup table turner. I got this in Korea from like Daiso, I think. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you if you want one of those. They have versions of these on Amazon though, so this is where I keep all my makeup. And then I have more makeup in these drawers and like skincare stuff. And then I have my makeup brushes in here. I try to make it decorative, like seashells. I don't know if it worked. Then more skincare stuff, toothpaste, face wash, toothbrush, another sink, soap. And then I have hair stuff over here, and like a mirror, little mirror. And then my mirror, and then I put some stuff in here. And then there's like drawers, and there's like a lot of room under the sink. So I just have boxes, trash bags, like hair dryer, and like just extra stuff in the drawers. There's a towel, another towel. And then I have, look at this, I have a cute little vacuum and then like a mop. Okay, so here's my room. Here's what it looks like from the outside. I'm in B. So I have this little shelf thing. I'm actually gonna get another one tomorrow that I'm gonna put right here because all my clothes will not fit in that. So this is kind of messy up top. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress, but then, you know, I just have clothes in here. This one's empty, I think, but I have socks in this one and clothes in there. So my room didn't come with a desk, so I got this like table desk from Walmart, and it's small, but like, let me sit down. This is my view. It like works. There's like enough room here, and I don't need like a huge desk. So then over here I have another set of drawers, like miscellaneous stuff. And then I got this bin from Walmart, and I just have like notebooks and like stuff. Oh, there's the college I go to. But yeah, so I just put up this tapestry. I think I got it from Amazon a while ago. I've like had this tapestry in my old room, so I just hung it up here. And I just put up LED lights, my old ones. And I actually just put up that too, that like garland. I put that on my window. And then the LED lights go all the way over there. Don't ask me why those two are different colors. I literally have no idea why it's like that, and it's kind of like annoying me, but yeah. I have a little step stool because my bed's kind of high. I actually might lower it. Maybe, we'll see. This is my windowsill. Look at my view. It's just like grass. Love that. Yeah, I told you guys I already put this on. It's really cute. This was a housewarming gift from my parents. I picked it out. It's a little succulent. I don't know how to take care of these. I should probably figure that out. I don't know if it's supposed to be in the sun or not, and I don't even know when I'm supposed to water it, but we'll see. I have my crystals here. Look how pretty. And then melatonin, because I, for some reason, can never sleep at night. Miscellaneous stuff. And then, oh my god, why is it upside down? This is kind of messy, but this is my bed. It's very messy. That's my bed. Ignore the mess. So these are my stuffed animals and my squishmallow. I will be getting more squishmallows. Look at this. I got this comforter. Okay, it looks weird on camera. This is like my favorite sage green color. It's like a sage green, and it's so pretty. Like, oh yeah, this is what it looks like. Look how pretty that is. This color is so pretty. So this is my blanket comforter. My sheets are tan. I wanted like an earthy tone vibe. So yeah, this stuffed animals, water bottle. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet. There's like, isn't it cute? It's like blocks in my name. I've had it since I was like little. I don't know where to put it. We'll see. And this is my box of LED lights. Sorry, I'm coming in strips. Sorry about that. I meant to put that away, but I'm too lazy, so no lights. I have these pictures. Aw, shout out to you guys, I guess. I have these pictures that I'm gonna put up on this wall. I'm gonna tape them. And then these boards. I don't know where I'm gonna put these yet. I think it's really cute. Look at that. It's messy right now, but it's cute. Okay, so about like an hour later, I guess, I got the boards up. Woo! And then this one too. This one's cute. And then I put the mask, oops, here. I hope that's straight. I don't know, whenever I hang things up, they never are straight. I don't think that's straight, but it's as close as it's gonna get. I forgot to show you guys my cute backpack for school. It's brown. I've been liking to go with brown and green lately. She's cute. I have a lot of pockets. So it's like 7 o'clock now, but I just wanted to do an update on my room. So as you can see, I hung up my clothes. Everything fits on the rack there. I just put all my shoes on the floor. I thought I wouldn't have enough room for my shoes, but after unpacking everything, I realized I don't even have like that much stuff, which is actually good. I have some clothes sitting here because I'm gonna get another dresser drawer thing soon. And then I'm gonna put those clothes in there, and then my hoodies in there too. And I think that's it. So it's like a week later, and I wanted to give you guys an update on my dorm situation. So I finished everything. Everything is done. Everything is put away. Everything's organized, like just how I want it. So I'm gonna give you guys a final tour of my dorm and how I set up everything. So this area has changed a bit. I still have the fridge and the microwave and my setup up top, but now I have this drying rack. I usually don't put my towel on it. I usually hang up clothes like this to dry. Here I still have my little dishwashing setup. This setup here. This is a little different. I just got more skincare products. Like, look at this cute jade roller. I got it from the Dollar Tree. This was $1 and it works pretty well. In the sink, and then this area, put this here. This is my jewelry, and then I have the hair stuff on top. And my girlfriend got me roses. They're pretty, so I keep them here. My room from the outside now. So here I just have my shower shoes and my Berg's laundry basket. This set of drawers that I showed you guys last time. I kind of try to organize this area. It's a little bit messy, but it's more organized than before. Right here, my board still. the tapestry and the lights. This is a new addition. I got a fish, or 2 fish, and a fish tank. So yeah, that's cool, I guess. It's Finn and Jake. Jake is that one. This one's Finn, like from Adventure Time. So they're cute. They just swim around all day. This is my desk area. It hasn't really changed too much. My laptop is supposed to be here. So yeah, it hasn't changed too much. I was taking some notes earlier. Then over here, this is the new set of drawers that I got that I was talking about. I just have like extra clothes in here and my hoodies and sweatpants. And then up top, I have this electronic case and a speaker, markers, and pens and stuff. Then the bed hasn't changed at all. Oh, I got another Squishmallow like I said I would. This is a new addition. Ah, she's so cute. And then I put pictures up. It's really cute. This took a while. So I put all these pictures up. My Polaroids on this side, and then photo booth, and like printed out pictures on this side. The edge of my bed, these are the clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow. This is my outfit for tomorrow. I put this hook here to hold my book bag for school. And then I keep my mirror here. Oh, look at these fluffy shoes I got. I'm not gonna show you my toes, but I got these from Five and Below, and they're like knockoff Ugg slippers. I really want the real Ugg slippers though, because these, you can tell they were $5, but they're really cute. Like they're cute and they're really comfortable. So I wear those in my dorm room. And I've got all my shoes here, and then my clothes are here. Up top, I have my belts, extra bags. This is where I put my name block. And then up here, I have my incense. So that's the closet area. That's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my dorm tour. And yeah, this is just gonna be where I'm gonna be living for the next few months. So I think it's really cute. I think my room is really cute. You guys should like this video and then subscribe. You guys should, if you're watching this, you should already be subscribed. There's no reason you shouldn't be. Like, come on now. And comment if you like the video. You should comment. And yeah, that's it. So bye.
Ryan Little.